So here's something fabulous too. The Burger Bash, you know, at the New York City Wine and Food Festival is going down.
Yeah.
We're going to be there, but virtually.
Yes.
The Wine and Food Fest is going down in New York City. If you can just go to NYCWFF.org, NYCWFF.org, you can see all the events. I'm doing a virtual cooking class. That's on October 10th.
Yep.
Saturday, October 10th. We're doing a Q&A, or probably a Q&A and Jay, since
I'm here
we're
anyway.
always here. He's always here. And we're also doing the Bash. I'm going to be at the Bash virtually, of course. But I'll make burgers here at home for John too.
And I'll make a cocktail for you.
And you're also making a cocktail at the festival.
Yeah.
You're making a cocktail on Bash night, I believe.
I'm making a Bash cocktail.
You're making a Bash cocktail with Tito's, I think, with Tito's vodka.
If that's what they send me, that's what I'll use.
That's the word on the street. So anyway, Saturday, October 10th, I will meet you there. Feel free to join us on the Bash. I assume it says always Friday night.
Yep.
And I can't wait to see all of my friends and Zoom along with them and Zoom along with you guys. Thank you so much for letting us into your homes today, and we'll see you when we see you, hopefully back here at our home. Bye.
Bye.